Good morning, student. In this session, we are learning about the vaccine and vaccination. What is the vaccine? Vaccines means a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies. This substance is used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against the one or several diseases. See what say? Stimulate to use. See, a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide the immunity against the one or several diseases. How? How this working? See, this vaccination. See, we have to see the see so many vaccines is giving to us. See, it is a polio vaccines, BCG vaccines. See, so many vaccines is giving. See against the it is a stimulate and controlling the our diseases. For example, what is against the one or several disease said? See, for example, we have to see the this is a lock and key model. Lock and key. Here, what is the lock? Lock is a antigen. Lock is a antigen. Antigen. And key is a here key is a antibodies. Key is a antibodies. Antibodies. See, these both are lock and key model is there. For example, antigens means pathogens, means foreign particles. Foreign particles, foreign it is a these bacteria, viruses, this like. Next, we have to see the antibodies. See, for example, we have to see the foreign particles. What is foreign particles? See, for example, we have to take the terrorist. Terrorist is a terrorist. Terrorist. For example, it is a foreign particle is a terrorist. And antibodies is a what is? It is a force. Force is there. Force. See what forces is there in our India? See, military force is there, air force is there, and navy force is there. See, three types of force is there. See, for example, the terrorist attacking the roadways. Which force is working? See, it is a military force is working and killing to them, controlling them. Next, for example, we have to see the airways. See, it is a attacking on the airways. See, it is a air force is there. Next, by the see, it is a ocean, seas, this like waterways. See, it is a navy force is there. They are controlling to these diseases. For example, antigen and antibodies. Antibodies should be fit with antigens. Nowadays is a see, it is a corona. See, corona also it is a type of disease, viral disease. See, there is no specific vaccine now also. See, so many members is a it is a in this disease they are die because they are not this disease is not controlling. It should be keep a specific vaccines. For example, we have to see that this is a lock and key model. See this like. See, this is a lock model is there. See what is lock? Lock. See, it should be fit here. It should be fit this like. See this like key is required to this diseases. this is a key. See, this is a antibodies and it is a antigens. See, if I fit this like, what will happen? Automatically the disease will be controlling. See, totally. See this like lock and key model. See, have you understood? Next we have to see the how do vaccines work. How vaccines is working? Okay, see here, vaccines give us immunity to disease. See, vaccine is a give of the immunity. Immunity will be increasing without getting us sick faster. See, we are not getting the any sick if you taking the these vaccines. Okay. See, vaccines give us either permanent or temporary against the specific pathogen or diseases. See, yearly, we have to see the 0 to 5 years. Yearly is giving to the up to 5 years polio vaccines. Means it is a controlling the blood diseases. See this slide. Vaccines give us either permanent or temporary against the specific pathogen or disease. Next we have to see the vaccines or antigens. Which one? Antigens. Which give either temporary or permanent protection against the specific diseases. Vaccines is a giving to the temporary or permanent diseases. It is a curing these diseases. This is about the vaccines and vaccinations. Okay. Okay, production of vaccines. It is a traditionally and nowadays. What is traditionally? Vaccines are produced with the help of pathogens. It is a traditionally vaccines are produced with the help of pathogens. With the help of pathogens. With the help of pathogens. Vaccines how like producing? With the help of pathogens. Next, these pathogens completely or partially killed pathogens are used as vaccines. What said? Completely or partially killed, completely or partially killed pathogens are used as vaccines. See, in traditionally they used this vaccination preparation of vaccine. So it is a completely or partially killed pathogens are used as vaccines. For example, vaccine is giving to the patient. What will happen? The patient, in the patient, these vaccines will be activate, and this vaccine is against the working of the microbes, pathogens. See, it is a pathogens completely or partially killed pathogens are used as vaccines. Due to this, there is a chance of contracting due to this chance of, see what said, chance of contracting the disease, chance of disease in case of some person. In case of some person. Okay, what said? Due to this chance of contracting the disease. See, contracting the disease in case of some person. See, in olden days traditionally used this vaccines are produced with the help of pathogens. Taking the production of vaccine, the pathogen too. Next, completely or partially killed pathogens are used as vaccines. See, next we have to, due to this chance of contracting the disease in case of some persons. Say this is a traditionally. Now we have to see the nowadays scientists tried to produce vaccine, see, artificially. See what said? Scientists tried to produce see vaccine artificially. Vaccine artificially. See, artificially they are producing these vaccines. For this purpose, see what? See, scientists produced the antigen. Scientists produce antigens so it is in laboratory. Where producing? In laboratory. See, we have to see the scientist is producing the antigens in laboratory. Next, antigen produced with the help of gene. Antigen produced, see, with the help of series of gene isolated from pathogen. And see what said? Used as vaccine. And used as vaccine. See, for example, see, we want to produce the vaccine against these pathogens. We should know their genes. If you know the gene, see, we can produce the antibodies. Antibodies means vaccines. Vaccines is producing. The safer vaccines are being produced. See, if we know the gene, we can prepare the safer vaccines. We can prepare the safer vaccines. Okay. See here, once nowadays we are using, see, it is a scientific method. Scientists try to produce, it is a vaccine artificially. They are producing the artificially vaccination nowadays. Next, for this purpose, scientists produce the antigens in laboratory. See, it is producing in laboratory. Antigen produced with the help of the gene. It is a gene is required. and isolation from the pathogens and used as vaccines. We can prepare the safer vaccines. We can save vaccines we are producing. See this slide, it is a nowadays is a using. See this slide. Next, more advanced technology also is there. See what is more advanced technology? Techniques. We are using the more advanced techniques nowadays. Okay. Here, see proteins are used as antigens. What using? Proteins is using, say, used as antigens, and thus antigen proteins are injected in pure form. See the protein antigens is injected in pure forms, and see inserted and injection killed or semi-killed pathogens. We can injecting. After injection, what will happen? The pathogen is killing partially or completely. So it is a semi-killed pathogens. See, we are using this like vaccinations. Okay? Production of vaccines. See, thank you.